Kanino may ano? Kasama niyo or ba kung nilapat? Okay po, anong puti nimo? Pagkanin. Orange, di na, bak na yung labahan. Opo, ano eh? Open na nasuot eh. Yun ang day 25 na eh. Okay, so Lynn, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so for today, let us have to talk about day 24, phone messages. So for this one, we have vocabulary word. We have the word confirm. Another is estimate. Another is remind. Another is appointment. And of course, we have the word deliver. Or you will have to deliver this one. You have to send this to someone else. Okay, ibabag na yun natin. Okay? So phone messages, we have tasks. So here, Lynn, please match the colors on the left with the messages on the right. Okay, you match now.
Teacher, I wish. Teacher, I wish.
So we have Pet Garage. Tony and Sue called, letter C. The travel agent called, letter A. The dentist office called, letter D. So this one. Listen to these messages on Andrew's voicemail. Circle the correct messages, Lynn. Okay?
1.
Hello, this is Jim from Jim's Auto Repair. I'm calling about your car. I'm afraid it's not going to be ready until Friday. You can pick it up anytime after 4. By the way, the car radio isn't working properly. Do you want us to fix that too? Please give us a call today to confirm.
2.
Hi, this is your neighbor, Pat. ABC Express tried to deliver a package today, but you weren't home, so they left it with me. If you like, I'll bring it over tonight around 8 o'clock. Let me know if you'll be home.
3.
Hi, Andre. This is Susan. I'd like to invite you to my birthday party on Saturday. I hope you can come. Bring a friend if you like. I'll be out till late tonight, so I'll be in touch tomorrow to give you more details. Bye.
4.
This is Classic Records. The CD you ordered is in. Please come by and pick it up. Or if you like, we can send it to your office. Please let us know which you'd prefer.
5.
Andre, hi. This is Kathy. Sorry I missed you. Thanks for your invitation to dinner tomorrow. It sounds lovely, but unfortunately I can't go. I have to work late. I'll try you tomorrow morning again before 9. Bye.
6.
This is Dr. Costello's office. We're calling about your dental appointment. We cannot give you an appointment on Thursday, but we can give you one next Tuesday. Please give us a call to confirm.
Teacher.
Okay. So we have here. Okay, one is pick up, listen to the messages on Andres' voicemail. Circle the correct message. Okay, circle the correct message. What do you think is Andre telling every number? Okay, 2. Very good. ABC Express delivered a package today. 3. Susan is inviting Andre to a party on Saturday. Okay, very good. And the city has arrived. Okay. Kathy cannot go to dinner. Okay, very good. And, wow, very good. Great job, Lynn. Okay, this one, Lynn. So, for this one, okay, please try to listen. This is only the example, ha? To the Susie's voicemail. Complete the information about each call. So, we are talking here, Susie's voicemail. So, you have to put here what do you think is the correct answer.
Unit 18. Telephone messages. Page 70. 2. Let's listen. Listen to the messages on Susie's voicemail. Complete the information about each call. 1.
Hi, this is David. Remember me? We met at Bob's party. David, you know, the one with curly blonde hair and green eyes. Anyway, just calling to say hello. I'd love to see you again. Can you call me tonight? My number is 981-2146. I'll be home after 9. Thanks. Bye.
2.
Hi, Susie. This is Mary calling. Sorry I missed you. I've got some really interesting news. It's about that cute blonde guy we met at the party. Why don't you call me? I'm at my mom's place. The number is 461-5793. Try to call me between 6 and 7 tonight. Bye.
3.
Hello, I'm calling for Susan. My name's Peter Rogers. That's R-O-G-E-R-S from Morningstar Travel. I'm calling about your plane reservations. Please call me back at 391-6451. The best time to reach me is between 2 and 6 p.m. Thanks.
4.
Hello, this is Linda Wong. Susie, could you call me on Saturday in the morning or afternoon? Do you have my number? In case you don't, it's 536-8775. Thanks. Bye.
Teacher, can I say again?
Akilin.
Unit 18, Telephone Messages, page 70. 2. Let's listen. Listen to the messages on Susie's voicemail. Complete the information about each call. 1.
Hi, this is David. Remember me? We met at Bob's party. David, you know, the one with curly blonde hair and green eyes. Anyway, just calling to say hello. I'd love to see you again. Can you call me tonight? My number is 981-2146. I'll be home after 9. Thanks. Bye.
2.
Hi, Susie. This is Mary calling. Sorry I missed you. I've got some really interesting news. It's about that cute blonde guy we met at the party. Why don't you call me? I'm at my mom's place. The number is 461-5793. Try to call me between 6 and 7 tonight. Bye.
3.
Hello, I'm calling for Susan. My name's Peter Rogers. That's Rogers from Morningstar Travel. I'm calling about your plane reservations. Please call me back at 391-6451. The best time to reach me is between 2 and 6 p.m. Thanks.
4.
Hello, this is Linda Wong. Susie, could you call me on Saturday in the morning or afternoon? Do you have my number? In case you don't, it's 536-8775. Thanks. Bye.
Teacher, I was.
Okay, name of caller is David, 981-2146. Best time is 9 p.m. Very good, Lynn. Mary, let us check the 461-563-5793. Okay, and then best time to call, it is about 6 and 7. Name of the caller is Peter Rogers. Okay, what is the number? 391-6451. Okay, very good. Okay, best time to call, it's 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Name of the caller, Linda Wong. Okay, Linda Wong, caller, Linda Wong. Telephone number 536-3775. Best time to call afternoon. Okay, on Saturday. Okay, one mistake only, Lynn. This one, the best time for call for Linda Wong. Okay. So as an answer, Lynn, so do you usually have phone messages, Lynn? Do you usually have phone messages?
No.
Huh?
No.
No, teacher. Okay. So, what is the most important call that you have missed? What is the most important call that you have missed?
I think that when I miss my stuff, online stuff.
Okay. Okay, so we have here Skype, Messenger, and Zello. Instead of voicemail, do you use any application to leave messages? Do you use?
I think that the
Okay, use the application.
TikTok.
Okay, yes, to leave. It's the, you use the
TikTok.
Zillow, right? You use Zillow in forming out or in applying, right? Okay, we're sending message. You write yellow. Okay, so here, post speaking. Leave a messages on the voicemail based on this information. Leave a messages on the voicemail based on these informations. Okay, so here, situation 1, from postman to customer. Okay, what you will gonna say? Okay, you will write your answer, Lynn, in the chat box. Example number 1, from postman to customer. What do you think we're gonna say for this situation? So you are the postman to customer. Okay, what you will gonna say? Maasa man mo, ma'am? Pwede rin mo? Pwede. Ako. Hindi yan, daddy. Ako, daddy. Ako, ma'am. Okay. Kailan po sa lagi ng mga ito yun? Ito. Kailan na ni mo? Kailan na ni mo? Hindi mo dalban? I wire on, I wire on. I wire. I wire. Okay, Danlin. Okay. Hi, Philip. This is Josh, your postman. Due to heavy snow, your delivery is delayed. We're working hard to get it to you safely. Thanks for your understanding. If you have any questions, call 246-1070. Have a nice day. Bye. Okay, so you were informing about the postman and the delay of the delivery, and the reason is heavy snow. Okay, very good, Lynn. Okay, so here, situation number 2, please check this one.
Your answer.
Okay. So
Yes.
where is your answer? Let me check. Okay. So here the situation is from mother to son. Come back home to take part in grandfather's birthday party. Time is next Saturday. What you will gonna say? You will gonna say, okay. So, hi Philip, this is Josh, your postman. Due to heavy snow, your delivery is delayed. We're working hard to get it safely. And then that's number one. Hello, Enos Siley. The next Saturday is your grandfather's party. I hope you will come. He's very okay. I hope you will come. He miss you a lot. Okay, he miss you a lot. Like he misses you a lot. Okay, so this is he misses not he very miss you. He misses you a lot. Okay, or he will say he miss you very much. Okay, very good, Lynn. Great job for this one. Okay. Lastly, this is situation 3. We are talking from the librarian to Paul. Remind to return the books. And the time is Friday. Best time is 2 to 4 p.m. So you will write a situation about librarian to Paul. The librarian remind Paul to return the books. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes or 2 minutes for this.
Teacher, I'm finished. I'm finished. Teacher.
Okay, so from the librarian to Paul, remind to return the books and the extension time is 2 to 4 p.m. Lynn. Okay, so here, so the librarian will say, "Hi Paul, this is Kate from the library. I just want to remind you to return the books on, that not at, on Friday at 2 to 4 p.m. Don't forget it. Okay, remember on Friday because you are asking about the day. On Friday at 2 to 4 p.m. Okay, thank you so much, Lynn. Very good, Lynn. Okay, the English construction is quite nice. Thank you so much. Okay, so Lynn, we don't have enough time. Teacher Ann will say goodbye now because I am waiting for another class. Okay, bye,
Okay,
Lynn.
teacher.